Hey guys, welcome to Sparkle Kids fam and the McDermott fam. Two people channel. If you're new here, my name is Bridget McDermott. Today I'm going to be showing my fidget collection. Yes, I did show you my fidget collection a long time ago, but I got a bunch more fidgets in, and they're in my bucket now. So if you enjoyed this video, give it 2 thumbs up. If you like it, hit the subscribe button down below. But right click, make sure to subscribe, and hit the bell button right beside it so you can notified when I post a new video. And let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you is I got this big ice cream squishy. It's so much fun. I got this at the Dollar Tree. So this is pretty fun. Love this, and it's very squishy. I love it. Bro! Balloon just popped. So we have a squishy, and that's good. So then I got, just let me hold my bucket. So I'm going to put my fidgets on. And then I got, you'll see some of my new fidgets, and then I'm just going to be doing them randomly. New fidgets, old fidgets that you guys already know. Remember that big thing that was shaped like a poop? I popped it. I was squeezing it like you're supposed to do, and then it just popped. So I don't have that to show you, but you guys know in my other videos. If you don't know what that looks like, go check out my other videos on my channel, Bridget McDermott, and you will see it. So let's get started. You'll see what it looks like if you. Starbucks. Okay. Dog, shut up. Okay. We got this apple poppet. I got this octagon hot pink poppet. This rainbow poppet. I got this. So I ordered 3 Neatos. I didn't think they were going to be small because in the picture they were like this huge. And I wanted a huge one. But it ended up coming with 3 Neatos. But they're tiny. It ended up coming with 3 Neatos, but they're tiny. Let me show you the Neato print so you can see that they're actually Neatos. Let me focus. Neato. And it's really cool. I love it. Really fun and enjoyable. I got another Neato. Let me show you the Neato print. It's nice. I love this Neato. This one is especially fun just because I just think this one has a little hole in it, so like this stuff just comes out. It's really slimy. It's like slimier than slime, but yeah. So I got the purple one, and then I got this blue one. It's really nice. I love the blue Neato. And then I got this other Neato, my last Neato. You probably can't see it in the camera, but it's a Neato. It's another one. It's really fun, and my 3 Neatos. So yeah. And then I got this Simple Dimple. Ready? That's TV in the background. So that's a Simple Dimple. Then I got a Snapper. I will get new fidgets. I will be getting more new fidgets. So, shush! They're fighting over stupid toys. They have like 10,000 toys. And they're fighting over one. Shut up! A circle ball. So I'm going to show you all my mochis. Remember I cut one up to slime? I don't think I videoed that. I didn't. But I cut one of my mochis into slime. You'll see if you go back to my other videos. But this elephant mochi. I got this snail mochi. This mochi. It's pretty cool. I like this mochi better than all of them. They're pretty cute. Then I got this little bunny. this little yellow bunny. I don't know if this is gonna have to be a part 2, but we'll see. This little pink pig. Then I got this other little rabbit, twinsies. And then I got this little seal. Okay, the next thing I got is an infinity cube. It's really cool. I love infinity cubes. I've always wanted one, so I finally have one now today to play with, have a lot of fun, and enjoy my infinity cube. I love it. So that's my infinity cube. It's pink and blue. I have a slinky. It's a pink slinky. It's pretty fun. Okay, that's enough slinky. Who cares? So this is my pink. I'll pick it up later when I want to show them it. This is the pink one, and it works great. I love it. So the next fidget I got is, let me grab them because they all fell on the ground. So I'm trying to keep grabbing them from the ground. So the next fidget I have, oh, another mochi. Here's this mochi. It's a little lamb. I love it. So the next thing I have is this mint poppet.
Don't take too long.
This two-piece Simple Dimple. It works really nice. I love it. It's actually pretty good. Pretty much, listen. Mom, turn it down. Ready, listen. Mom, turn it down. Turn it down. Sorry. Thank you, Mother. I got this unicorn squishy. I have more squishies in storage, by the way, if this is your first video watching me, or my fidget haul. I have two whole boxes of fidgets in storage, in my storage, so, yeah. This is an Among Us red poppet. I already had the black one, but this is another one. This is called a Simple Dimple. Then, I don't know if this really counts as a fidget, but I got Orbeez. Let me show you them. Orbeez. We got some Orbeez. They're nice and cool. They're nice to put your hand in. Look, they're just really nice and stuff. Let me show you a few. Look. Look how squishy this is. I love this needle. I don't want to stop playing with it. This one's really soft. Shush! Let me pop these. Gosh. Okay, I popped them, dogs. Now let's see the next fidget I have today. Draco, I swear to God, if you touch my stuff. Okay, so the next thing, I'm gonna grab a Rubik's Cube. As you guys know, I have two little Rubik's Cubes, and I have another Rubik's Cube, but I lost all them, and some of them broke. So, let's just grab my new Rubik's Cube. This one's from Dollar Tree. It's just a fun little Rubik's Cube that I bought. I love them. You have to get the colors to the colors, you know, instead of arrows, instead of stars or anything like that. And then the next thing I have is 2 days ago was my birthday. July 13th was my birthday. Sorry, that's so wrong. I'm out of my mind. My birthday was July 14th. So my birthday was just July 14th. That was 2 days ago. My birthday's July 14th. That was 2 days ago. And I got to shop wherever I wanted. So I picked Dollar Tree, so they have the best fidgets in town. That's where I got these mochis and stuff. But yeah. Let me show you. I have this glow-in-the-dark poppet. It's really nice. Glow-in-the-dark poppet. I got 2 monkey noodles. Got 2 monkey noodles. Itch.
Now pick it up.
I have 2 monkey noodles.
Pick it up with your hands.
Alright, that's enough. I've seen enough. It's not even tried, Stephanie. Did you really think you could pull a man like me? I saw everything. Everything. You hear from me? Stop. Don't patronize me. I saw everything. You know what? I just wanted to see how
Hey! Drop it. Let me grab something else. No! No, Mom, grab that person out. He has a little tiny ball he can swallow.
You made drink. You dropped it. Come get it.
I don't know where it is. Okay. The next thing I have is this.
that's all you care about.
Pop it. Let me go pick these stuff up and I'll put it in my basket so I can redo it. Let me grab the rest of the stuff. I'm not done with my videos. Let me grab the rest of the stuff.
Stephanie, get out. Get out of my house.
Almost done, guys. Just cleaning this stuff up. It takes forever, but it won't because I'll do it quick and fast. Almost done.
Let's go.
Dodged the bullet on that one. She can't believe she called you. You ain't got no money. I got all the money. I take care of you. I'm the rich kid. The moral of the story is, what's done in the dark always comes to light. People recognize pure intentions over fake intentions. It shows all over. Thank you.
Almost done, guys.
Just because people around you are mistreating others or doing wrong things doesn't mean that you should do that as well. Never become a part of your environment unless it is always
I'm back. Got it all cleaned up so I can show you the rest of my fidgets. So there's one more thing. Let me grab it. Alright. Now you can show you the rest of my fidgets. Okay, here's my basket. It's cute and mint. The next fidget I have is this heart squishy. Dogs. This purple flower poppet. Gosh. I forgot where I got this one. Let me ask them. Liam, where do we get this poppet at? What? The what? Okay, thank you. So we got this puppet from the Easter Bunny. We got
What do you want, Kyle?
both of these puppets are from the Easter Bunny. And then this one's missed. Let me make sure this isn't messed up. Stop breathing your nasty old hot breath on me. Here we have a yellow Slinky. It's really good. The yellow one's pretty much my favorite. I like yellow Slinkies. They're cute. Okay, the next fidget I have is this Among Us keychain tiny puppet. I have the Simple Dimple wall fidget spinner. Simple Dimple. Wait, ready? Wow. That's a little Simple Dimple. No. Puzzle ball. This American Simple Dimple. Fidget spinner. Wacky track.
Let's see. Oh, shit. Just in a rush.
Thank you, mister.
Yeah.
Wait. Do you want me to ask something?
Sure. No problem. What do you need?
My Barbie's head is broken.
Hmm.
Can you fix it? I don't There you go. Almost got it. It was great.
Hey, listen, I got it. It is new. There you go.
Thank
Tangle.
you, mister.
Oh, boy. Hey, listen, I wish I had more money for you.
It's alright. Next time.
I know. Then I got a monkey, another blue one. I got a black and white tango.
I didn't steal this money. That man gave it to me.
I guess he gave you the wallet too, huh?
Uh,
Hey, whoa. Hey, what do you think you're doing, huh? What are you nuts? Never been to cops already? Sit over here. How old are you?
I'm 7.
Yourself, your parents.
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Where'd you come from?
What'd she say?
A stork.
My parents are dead. They died when I was younger.
This.
Hate for you guys to have